park like right here. What the fuck is that? Okay, that I think is my sign to get the hell out of here. I really don't want to get stabbed by a crackhead. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We are finally back on the bike. As you can see, we just got some fresh kicks on the bike. I brought it to the shop yesterday and I also got the oil change. So now we got everything that we needed to get done on the bike. So we're going to be dialed for the season.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
As you guys can tell by the title, today we're going to be exploring an abandoned house that I found about a month ago. I know you guys love watching the abandoned content and it's some of my favorite content to make. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. It is crazy windy out here today. It's like 25-mile-per-hour winds. Bike sounding good. We got about a couple mile drive to the house that we're gonna go explore. This is the whole little downtown section of the new town that I moved to. We finally got some decent weather today. It has been a long, brutal winter, boys. I'm pretty sure this winter that we had was the coldest that it's been in like 15 years or something in Illinois, which is crazy. It feels so weird being back on the bike. I'm like, do I even remember how to ride this thing? We're gonna go up here and go through the back roads so we can go kind of fast here. We're just gonna have to cut across here and then go like 3 or 4 miles down the road and then we will be at the house. Let's go, boys. Yeah, like I was saying, this winter has been so brutal. We got a lot more snow. We had way colder days than usual.
At least 6 inches of snowfall, and we'll show you the projections. There could even be a few pockets of 8 to 12 inches of snow.
And what sucks with having a sport bike is you really can't ride in the winter. It's just way too dangerous. It's not worth it. What was nice about having the dirt bike is I was able to bring it to like the indoor tracks and stuff, so we're still able to drop some content. This guy's low-key going pretty fast for being on a bicycle. This road is a lot of fun to drive on. This is one of my favorite roads. Definitely feels sketchy going that fast with the wind gusting that hard. We're getting pretty close to this house now. I kind of went the long way just so we can rip around a little bit. I did ride a couple miles yesterday to break in the tires a little bit, but they definitely still need to be broken in more. It feels a little weird. I just ended up going with the Pirelli Angel ST tires. I've like always used Pirellis for all my tires. And they're actually pretty cheap. It was like under $300 for both of them. So I'd actually recommend those tires if you're looking for something that's not crazy expensive. Here we are. This is it. I'm just gonna park like right here. All right, boys, here we are. This place looks old and creepy. This has got to be a house from, I don't know, maybe the 60s. Hello? Hello? Jesus, the floor is all gone. Are those like golf balls? What is that? Hello? I'm always afraid there's gonna be like a crackhead in here. Oh my god, the floor is actually gonna break, bro. What the fuck? People have destroyed the shit out of this. That is so unsafe. Am I tripping? Or you guys just hear that noise too? God damn, this place is old. What the hell? What are all these balls? This is definitely the oldest abandoned house that we've explored. What the fuck was that? Dude, this one's got a creepy vibe. There's another little building back here. Oh, there's a bed in there. Holy shit, someone definitely stays here. Trespassers will be shot on sight. Okay, that I think is my sign to get the hell out of here. There's literally a bed in this one right here. Someone definitely is squatting in there. Yeah, I'm not walking in there in that room with a bed. I really don't want to get stabbed by a crackhead. Dude, this place has got a really eerie feeling to it. More than like all the other places I've explored. What, a slingshot? Alright, well, I think that's our cue to get out of here before I get shot in the head. There's a trampoline back there too. Weird. It's a very cool part of Illinois. Like, most of the state is very flat, and this part is very hilly and like wooded. It's got some cool vibes to it. Woohoo, the wind is blowing me everywhere. Cybertruck. What do you guys think of those? I think they actually look sweet if they're wrapped. Like if they're wrapped all black, they actually look clean. But I hate the stock color. Nice little view right here. This guy's always right here. I've given him money a few times. I think he knows who I am. Beef Shack is so fire, guys. They have good deals there. They have like dollar glizzies on Tuesdays. They have dollar shakes on Saturdays. We're running low on gas. We might as well grab some while we're here. Hopefully they take Apple Pay though. Hello. Do you guys take Apple Pay? Huh? Do you guys take Apple Pay? Yeah. Okay. Could I just do $5 on a pump 10? Pump number 10. Yep. Have a good day. Ooh, what bike is that? That sounds loud. Gas is so expensive over here. It's almost $5 for a gallon. It's like California prices. It's actually disgusting.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
This is the Whitetail Golf Dome. I was here a lot in the winter. Me and my boy Adam went all the time to hit some balls. There's like nothing else to do here in midwinter. Something I wanted to ask you guys, would you guys like if I started to stream maybe like once a week, if I could figure out how to set that up on the GoPro? I think that would be sweet. Then you guys could like ask me questions. You guys can just listen to me yap. I do have my Twitch account started, so go follow me on there. It's the exact same name as my YouTube and TikTok and all that. It's just Dylan Does 490. Speaking of golf again, this is one of my favorite golf courses right here. Blackberry Oaks. Pop a little video of my golf swing. You guys gotta let me know if it's trash or not. Oh, I want to haul ass right here, but sometimes there's cops right on the other side of the bridge. I just pulled over to switch out the GoPro battery and I noticed that one of the bolts on the exhaust is gone. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, we got the Dunkin' right across the street. Let's go hit that. Get some food. Let's go in here. Bike's looking so clean, boys. I gotta wipe off the mirrors. These are so dusty from sitting in the garage. Hello, how you doing? Can I just do a bacon, egg, and cheese?
A bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yep, and then that's gonna be it.
Is that on the croissant or plain bacon?
I'll do the croissant, please. It is so hot in here with all the gear on. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Let's go, boys. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna hit. Really sucks how we only got like 2 days of some warmth, and then next week it's about to be back to like 30s, which is just so cold to ride. And then a skirt. I feel like I say that every video. I do got a ton of content ideas lined up. You guys also got to let me know in the comments what types of videos you guys want to watch. That last video that I posted doing testing the cheap Amazon products did very well. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, let me know, because I actually really enjoyed making that. All right, we just pulled back into the neighborhood. Oh, there's a bee on here. Actually, I don't even want to hit it. See, this is what I was talking about. The exhaust, the bolt right here is gone. It's starting to hang down a little bit. I've really got to grab a new case for the phone mount as well. I'm really hoping we get a nice little stretch of warm days again, because I'm going to take full advantage and try to pump out some more content for you guys. So yes, please go drop a follow on Twitch, then also follow me on TikTok. I'm going to start posting a lot more content on there. And I just wanted to say, as always, thank you guys so much for showing love on the channel. We're closer than ever to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.